Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica and this is Moni's Cozy Home. In today's video, we're going to be starting part 1 of my daughter's bedroom makeover. This room has taken so many transformations, and a lot of those transformations I think I was more to what I thought they would like. They did used to have bunk beds and they never really used the top, so we just decided to get individual beds last year. I did take a step back from I kind of let them take over that part and let them design the way they like. And they got to a point where it was okay. They do clean, but they do their type of cleaning. But now that they're getting older, like one of them is 11, the other one's 8 years old, they understand more about the cleaning. They understand more of their style and what they like and what they don't like, how they want certain things arranged. So they're in that kind of age now where they're more kind of ready to create their own styles. So with that kind of initiative, I was like, okay, it's time for them to have a room that they're gonna enjoy being in and they're gonna like. And I know that if I invest a good amount, every time you do a room or something, it's an investment, like especially if you're gonna be changing walls, adding decor, adding new furniture, kind of adds up. We have gotten rid of a lot of toys they used to have. The little one, they used to have a little kitchen. She used to have more toys that took up more room. So now those have gone away. She is in the stage where she kind of already knows what she plays with. The current space I currently have, it was working out for them, but I wanted them to now have actually something they would enjoy being in. With that in mind, we sat together and we kind of went over the color theme as well as a theme that they kind of both want. One side, my daughter, she is 11, so that side of the bedroom is going to be more reflective of her style, her like, and what she kind of wants in that area, as well as the other side. The common grounds between both of them are going to be more catered to both styles, so I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to incorporate that. And I worked with them. It was very fun actually to get to do this with them too, because they're a little bit older now and they understand a little bit. They're able to express their ideas, how they like certain things. I did decide to break this video up into 3 parts just due to the length. So the first part for this video, we're going to be focusing on decluttering, organizing, and cleaning. And then in part 2, we'll complete the rest of the room. We will finish the organization and complete the closet. And then part 3, which is I feel like going to be the funnest out of all of them, will be decorating, and we'll be creating DIYs as well as decorating and adding the finishing touches. Once I started going into the room, it was so chaotic. Like you just realize how much toys they are. Some of these toys they haven't played with in years, so we're gonna be donating that. And I do. frames from Amazon about a year ago. I'll leave them linked down below. I like them because like they're very practical. You guys saw in the beginning of the video, my daughters have it together, so they made a huge bed out of the little bed. Sometimes they like to have little slumber parties and they'll push their beds together, so kind of works out for them. So I like that they're very versatile and they can be maneuvered in different ways. The two mattresses that I have, I bought one at Walmart and then the other one is from RC Willie. They're okay. I do plan on grading their mattresses either with a foam topper or a whole completely new mattress. Trash gets picked up on Mondays. I just wanted to get here. Excuse my little crazy socks. It is laundry day today, and when I went to get socks, because my feet were kind of a little chilly, I just got the first socks. Like what felt like 3 days. Oh wait, it was 3 days. This is what I I'm so proud. Like we got 2 trash bags plus 1 donation bag, which was pretty good, and that's not counting the closet yet. Pretty good. I'm not too disappointed for the first couple of days. And this is how it's looking after all that hard work. I did have some time to put one bed together. For my oldest daughter's bed, I did order a new duvet. She wanted a black cover, so we ordered a black duvet. I ordered this one off Amazon. I believe it was $14. It was on sale. And then I will be uploading part 2 tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I invite you to hit the subscribe button to join my little YouTube family. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back, friend. I hope you guys enjoy. Going to be ending the video here, and we'll be uploading part 2 hopefully tomorrow. Thanks for watching.